We're like up on top of a cliff. Wowzers. Holy crap. Is this like literally a straight off cliff? So I imagine the last time this was used was way back in World War II or something. So it would have been your job to just sit here and stare out at the ocean. And I wonder how many hours they had to sit here at a time. Somebody swept up in here. Oh. Somebody might sleep there. Maybe that's why this is so clean. Well, I wasn't expecting all the graffiti murals, so that's an added bonus. Ooh, this one's awesome. Look at that old thing. What is it? It's like a turtle head, crab arms, and like fish body. Thing is cool. Looks like here would have been the old gate or fence. So I'm sure they had people posted here in the old days, checking to see if you were actually in their unit. You'd give them your military badge or your ID or something. Once upon a time before Instagram, nobody was following me. And then they have their Instagram handle. F off. Wow, this one actually goes in. The top level was really boring. I can't see a thing. Can you? I didn't think to bring my flashlight today. I'll just wait for my eyes to adjust. It is really dark. Ooh. That's where people defecate. Where's the McDonald's? That's what I'm asking myself right now. Cool building through that window. That's lovely. We can imagine that this was the shoes of one of the soldiers' girlfriends who came to pay him a visit. Man, brambles, brambles, brambles. Portugal loves its brambles, or brambles love Portugal. Oh, wow. That is deep. So maybe this is where they got their water from. Kind of like a cistern system. Whoa. That is actually really deep. If I fell in there, I'd have to swim over there and climb up with a ladder. All right, we got one more side to look at. Whoa. This one is completely full. Oh my goodness, that is scary. I can see through the really murky water all the way to the bottom. Oh, it's creeping me out. It's like 20 feet of water that's just so creepy looking. It reminds me of Lord of the Rings when you look into that one swamp and Frodo just falls in. I'm afraid like some dead thing's gonna look at me and I'm just gonna fall in there. I can't believe this one's full. What is Ryan afraid of? Water, apparently. Gross, murky water. Ay, ay, ay. Let's get out of here. I'm getting creeped out. Ugh. Wow, this goes on forever. I was not expecting this. The cisterns were the special treat for me. They look like old castle stairs. I have to go to the top of these. Oh, wow. Same artist as that guy who did the turtle crab fish. Kids don't float. It says kids don't float. I wonder, that must be the guy's name who does these. They were all done in 2017, so they're like 5 years old. Once again, I'm the only person here exploring all this. Look at that lovely chair. Look at that. How cool that would have been. They don't make stuff like this anymore. Little ropes hanging off just for decoration. I have to check every single room just to make sure there's no dead bodies in them. Okay, one more time we're gonna walk in and see how far back we can get before it gets pitch dark. Alright, we can still see here with the light. Now it gets a little scarier. Oh, but I can see. Can only see this room, but there's a door here and there's a door there. So those could be where the dead bodies are. If anybody knows any more about these barracks or this military installation, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. We came a long way. This thing went forever. I had no clue it was going to be this big. Oh, so that was way more fun than I thought it would be. All right, we're back up at the top and the wind is heavy, so I'm going to sign off from here. This was a little taste of Caparica. That rat didn't make it across the road. Boy, rats have a lot of meat on them. You could eat that for dinner. Nasty. Oh, poo. Oh no, the road stops. You gotta be kidding me. We might be bushwhacking it over to the other side. I guess getting back to the bus stop will be an adventure in itself. Well, I found a road. Looks like the kind of road that a dog would try to kill me on. Oh, there's a dog sticking its head out the window right here. Hola. Please don't murder me. How many American tourists do you think have come down this road? How many tourists have come down this road? Knew there'd be a dog. Oh, there's a big scary dog back there. That almost looks like a Tuscan hillside, doesn't it? Whatever this place is, they've got a gorgeous place for a little soccer field and benches. Maybe one of these days I'll branch out and try Taco Bell, but it's got to be on a night where I'm willing to have diarrhea. I don't know why, but for some reason this reminds me of Fantastic Planet. I freaking love that cartoon. I'm gonna have to go home and watch it now. I shouldn't call it a cartoon, it's an animated movie. It's got the best soundtrack too. Boy, that looks like communist murals, doesn't it?